Hello again, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, responding to a user comment. It pays to comment. So, wanted us to cover EOS. This is EOS US dollar on the Bitfinex exchanged. What are we watching for on this one? So we have a nice run up. We'll zoom out to the bigger chart to get the bigger perspective. This is a 4-hour right now. It's now dipping below the rotation zone. I'll show you where these other levels came from on the daily chart when we zoom out these red lines. This could have a nice bigger pullback. There's going to be very key support around this 260 if it does pull back all the way up, or we're watching for a rotation back up above the trend line. Let's check in on the daily chart to really get the big picture perspective for this. So, bigger picture perspective. You see it was all the way at the high is what, been 540. Then it went down to about 4760. Then it's run up. It's hit a bunch of the key levels already. Let me show you. We hit the prior breakdown level and we just popped above that. Didn't get to the end of this clear path. This did trigger a trend line trade on a daily basis on one of these key closes, this key close above here. So the full target for this is 324. That's what we're going to be watching for. Interesting enough, doing the GAN level projections, 323 is a 12.5% GAN projection. So 323 to 324 is a really nice cluster, end of a clear path and GAN projection. Then once that's broken, 340 is the next key level. We are a bit extended from the rotation zone, so we might see a pause for a bit for the 8 to catch up or the bigger pullback. We already talked about 260 on the 4-hour. If we were to get a bigger pullback on the daily, major supports coming in right now about 235. We have the rising 8, top of the rotation zone, and a key retracement GAN level. So that's the major support should we pull back even more. But that gives a pretty good introduction to EOS US dollar, what to watch for. Again, still in a nice up move. Again, you can trade the rotations. Look at these. Rotation, then it went flat, then it broke out of this sloppy horizontal channel, hit up here. So we're going to see, watch for it to rotate back up and show us some strength. We're not just going to buy the dip, we're going to wait for it to show us some strength on EOS. Again, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, do some comments, tell us what you like, dislike, and like the videos, and we'll keep them coming for everybody. Have a great time trading the cryptos. Bye for now.